The US dollar enjoyed some nice upside pressure yesterday, some buying coming into play. As you can see, it closed in the green, but we're still in this range, struggling to break out. It needs that catalyst. But the upside pressure for the dollar, if you look yesterday afternoon, was this big candlestick pushing to the upside into that area of liquidity. Obviously, there's heavy area of supply here because obviously, as a reminder, it's that gap area of that ceasefire, but struggling to follow through with momentum. And the reason we had that push to the upside was because in light of the continuation of crimes of the Zionist regime in Lebanon and the fact that Lebanon was one of the preconditions for the ceasefire, and that the ceasefire has now been violated on all fronts, including Lebanon, the Iranian negotiating team is suspending talks and the exchange of text through mediators. So that spooked the markets. Obviously, as I said to you guys before, anything like that, negative around talks, suspending or completely walking away, they've just the key is that they suspended them. They haven't said the talks are over, we're no longer is suspended. So markets still remain optimistic. And Trump came out just playing PR, basically saying that what the F are you doing to Netanyahu? You're effing crazy, blah, blah, blah. But just again, he's just playing like as if he didn't know that. Blah, blah. Anyway, he's trying to do damage control. So dollar came off. Bear in mind, also, we had good data yesterday from the dollar as well. We had strong ISM manufacturing PMI coming in at 54.0. Slight cooling in the prices, which is obviously a little bit deflationary, but prices still elevated in general in terms of inflation in the United States. So just keep an eye. It's just about playing these ranges, continue to play these ranges, guys. It's a case of range trading until, as I've said, I've given you the scenarios that the talks would have to be completely over, and then both sides go back to fighting on land. Civilian infrastructures start being bombed or targeted, but that would be the real force. That would be the catalyst for the breakout of the upside. The downside scenario, as I say, is that these guys making good way for progress in terms of a deal. Trump's actually really happy. They eventually sign a deal. That would be that downside. Or we could just be in this situation for a long time. As Trump said, that he's in no rush to sign a deal with Iran. So we could be in this. Imagine this for a very long time. We need some sort of catalyst to break us out. And I still don't think NFP is going to be enough to be that big breakout. I don't think it's going to be enough. It's going to be overshadowed still by markets thinking, what's going on, US and Iran? So just enjoy or don't enjoy this range trading for now for all dollar related.